This is nighttime shooting with the Canon M40. It's pretty good on the screen here, but it's going to be interesting to see how it looks on now. Total nighttime. We have street lights here, but you can tell this is doing a pretty decent job for night shooting. We're going to go in a stretch here that doesn't have street lights, and we'll see how this thing is done. We do have a full moon today, so we're not going to be in total pitch darkness. Plus we have the headlights. Also, this gives you a good indication of what kind of sound this thing is picking up. I just had the heater on full blast. I'm going to take it down to a slow speed fan. So anyway, hopefully this gives you a good idea of what kind of performance you should expect from